Welcome to the deep dive. Today, our mission is really for you, the learner, especially if you're looking to get into the data science world. We're pulling apart one of the biggest platforms out there, DataCamp. Is it legitimate? And more importantly, is it actually worth your time and money?
It's a huge name.
Hmm.
And for anyone who hasn't used it, DataCamp is, an online platform that focuses completely on data skills.
We're talking Python, SQL, R.
Exactly. Machine learning, data visualization, all the hot topics.
Right.
But I think what really sets it apart, and this is key, is it kind of ditches that passive video lecture model.
The endless watching.
Yeah. Their main thing is the interactive environment. You are writing code, real code, in your browser from, like, the first lesson.
Okay, so it's all hands-on.
Completely. It's all structured into these career tracks with practical exercises. It's meant to build muscle memory, not just, passive knowledge.
Okay, let's unpack this then. First things first, trustworthiness. Before we even talk value, we have to know if the platform is, secure.
And we can put that concern to rest pretty much immediately.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We looked at sources like Scam Advisor, which analyzes website risk, and datacamp.com is consistently flagged as trustworthy.
So no major issues there.
None. It's a well-established site, proper security protocols, a long online history. There are just zero red flags that you'd associate with any kind of deceptive or unsafe practices. Passes the safety check easily.
Okay, good. So now that we know it's a real operation, the deep dive really begins. What's the educational value? What are learners actually saying on places like, say, Trustpilot or CapData?
The feedback is overwhelmingly positive,
Yeah.
especially for people just starting out or maybe building those foundational to intermediate skills.
Good for beginners.
Very. A lot of the reviews highlight how that interactive method makes really complex topics feel, well, a lot more digestible.
I did notice that. The reviews we pulled consistently praise the structured learning paths, the way it guides you from what is a variable all the way up to, basic machine learning.
Well, we do need some nuance here. While the reviews are high, the criticism tends to move away from the content and more towards the business model itself.
You mean the price?
The subscription value, yeah.
Yeah.
Some users argue that while it's fantastic for getting started, it might not have the extreme depth needed for certain very advanced specialized topics.
So it gets you to a certain level.
Exactly. Or, the monthly cost might feel a bit high if you're only planning to take one or two courses.
That distinction is pretty important, and it's something we saw echoed on community forums like Reddit. People frequently recommend it as a great starting point or a solid practice platform.
Which I think frames its purpose really clearly. And that leads us to probably the most important question for anyone thinking about their career.
The certification.
The certifications. This is where expectations really need to be managed.
Absolutely. The certificates you get from DataCamp are great for showing progression. You can put it on your LinkedIn, show an employer you did the work.
It shows commitment, for sure.
Yeah.
But, and this is a big but, you have to understand the context.
They aren't a university degree.
Right. They are not formal academic credentials. They're not like an official certification from, say, AWS or Microsoft. And that's pretty standard for almost all these online platforms.
So if you're just trying to collect a piece of paper that you think is a guaranteed ticket to a job, you need to adjust that expectation.
You really do. You should be clear on that distinction before you subscribe.
So when you put it all together, the security check, the user reviews, the certification context, the picture seems pretty clear.
I think so. DataCamp is a legitimate, well-designed platform. It delivers on its promise for foundational and intermediate data skills.
It does what it says on the box.
Exactly. But the ultimate value, the ROI for you, depends entirely on your goals. And this is the most crucial part, how you apply that knowledge.
Right. Finishing the courses isn't the finish line.
Not at all. Finishing courses gives you knowledge. But building real portfolio projects, getting genuine practical experience, those are still the non-negotiables for getting hired.
So if a platform like this gives you the knowledge, your next deep dive has to be about strategy. How do you take those skills you learned inside a browser and turn them into hard, tangible projects that will actually impress a hiring manager?
That's the real challenge.
And maybe that's the deep dive to start next.